Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome, and to my returning subscribers, you are also welcome. In this channel I make natural hair video, I make protective style, I make skincare, and also tips to grow your hair and glow your skin with what you have at home. So in today's video is going to be natural hair video, and on this video I'm going to show you how I do my hot oil treatment to prevent breakage, dandruff, and frizzy hair. If you want to see how I do it, keep on watching. So for the hot oil treatment, these are the oils I'm using, and they are DIY oil, and these are one of the ways I use my DIY oil to grow my hair, and I have the video of them on the channel. If you are interested, I will link them in the description box or on the link on the card in this video. So the first thing I will do is to add my DIY 3 ingredients oil. So this oil, like I mentioned, is on my channel. Like I use avocado, I use aloe vera, and the third ingredient, if you want to see that, go and watch it. Use onions oil, which the video is on my channel, castor oil, and as well as glycerin. Adding glycerin, this will really help to seek in a lot of moisture on my hair, and glycerin is very good. And this and I will try to add more of my DIY oil. You can use any other oil you have available: coconut oil, aloe vera oil, avocado oil, olive oil. You can use either of the ones, or you can mix all of them together. So whichever one you prefer is fine. So I went ahead to add 5 drops of each of the essential oil I used. These essential oil are optional. You can add it, depends on you. So guys, then after mixing everything together, as you see from the video, I went ahead to place it in a hot water. You can microwave it directly, or you can place it in hot water. For me, placing it in hot water will help it will stay warm for a longer time. So guys, one thing you should know is that when I measure hot oil treatment, does not mean that the oil should be very hot. You don't want to burn your scalp. All you need is that the oil should be warm. So when you are applying it on your hair, you will feel it. So after leaving it for about 5 minutes and the oil have warmed up, I just go ahead and transfer it to my applicator bottle. And this applicator bottle, you can use it direct from the breaker. Just dip it on your hand on the oil and rub it on your hair. But using applicator bottle to apply oil on my hair is much easier for me. So guys, this is my hair, and the protective style I have, which is the coil, the braid that I did. I've not really washed my hair. You can see my hair is still or dirty, and why I leave it without shampooing it or washing it, I just want to use this hot oil treatment as also pre-poo before shampoo. That is pre-poo. That's why I did wash my hair. And if you want to see the video of how I coil this my hair, it's already been 2 weeks now, so by now is already due. But if you want to see the video how I do it, how I coil the hair, I do my braid out, I will also link the video in this channel, in this video, so you guys see it out, or check the description box. Guys, always remember to check out the description box, because other information that are not mentioned in this video are always there, so endeavor to check it out. So after sectioning my hair into parts, each of the part that I'm working with, I just spray it with a little water just to add water base, and then detangle it with my comb and go ahead to apply the oil. You can skip this step, you can do it. It's not important, like it's not obligatory, it's not mandatory that you have to spray your hair with water. Depends on you. Then I just apply the oil from my roots, massage my roots, and then work it down to the tip of my hair. And you are seeing that how I'm doing it. It's very simple. This hot oil treatment is very important for your hair. It helps to prevent dandruff. If you are struggling with dandruff, try hot oil treatment. If you're having breakage, use hot oil treatment. You can use this at least once in a month or twice in a month, depends on how busy you are, depends on you, depends on your schedule. You can do this, but always try to incorporate hot oil treatment in your regimen, in your hair routine. So guys, that is how I do it. After applying the oil and I know that it has saturated very well, I went ahead to massage my scalp, work it down to the root of my hair, and after that I'm done with that side, I just went ahead to twist it out and then move to the next section of the hair. That is how I repeat the same process, the same step to the rest of the session. I did nothing different, just the same thing, and that is it. And so guys, if you are still watching to this extent, or you have been watching my videos and you like what you are watching but you always forget to subscribe, it always happens sometimes, please do now, right now, by clicking on the red subscribe button down there to subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video. Because if you don't click on the notification bell, notification will not get to you whenever I upload a new video, and it might take days before you to see the video, or you might not even see it. So guys, after I'm through with the rest of the end, this is the last session. Just repeat the same thing to the tip. Make sure you add oil to the tip of your hair. Don't skip that part, and then comb it again, and so follow it up, twist it, and then that is it guys. It's very easy, very simple. So after finishing applying the oil, I just went ahead to use my hand, not my finger, to massage my scalp, and then wear my plastic bag. Wear my shower cap and then tie some scarf. The reason I tie the scarf because I want to leave the hair overnight, and the scarf will catch all the oil that we drop. That's why I did this step. I don't have to leave it overnight. I love leaving my hot oil treatment overnight. That is it. So guys, here is the next day. So we are the next day, and and I'm just going to unravel it and see for yourself guys. If the difference is clear, can you see how moisturized, can you see how shiny my hair is? Can you see that my hair was so warm when I removed everything? You don't have to leave it overnight. You can just leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it off, but I love it overnight. That is what I always do. Then I just go ahead to wash my hair. I'm just show you how I wash my hair, because I can't take you guys to the bathroom, or I can't do it in the bathroom. That would be a lot of stress. I've tried before. The stress is too much. That's why I just decided to show you some clips, some parts, some of it. So I do wash my hair 3 times with my scalp 3 times with shampoo. Depends on how dirty my hair is before I proceed with my conditioner. So guys, that is it. Very simple, very easy. You don't have to spend too much. You don't have to break the bank for this. You probably have coconut oil, you probably have olive oil, you probably have almond oil. If you have all those things, if you have one of these oil that I mentioned, do your hot oil treatment and you come back and thank me later. So guys, I've washed my hair, but I have not moisturized it because I'm going to do deep conditioner. But I just want to show you the after result after shampooing my hair, and this is how my hair is right now. So soft, so morbido. Loving the softness of my hair. I just go ahead to twist that and move in to my deep conditioner. If you want to see my deep conditioner routine, the video will be up next after this one. Make sure to check it out when it uploads, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Voila, that is it for this video, guys. That is how I do my hot oil treatment. That's how I incorporate my hot oil treatment in my hair regimen. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share to your friends and your loved ones, and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.